Hello guys, today we're talking about school. I live in Finland, so it's little different in on the rest of the world. Yeah, but we have single bathrooms, like single toilets, not a bathroom, so it's really good. Yeah, but someone just does still very dumb stuff. Yeah, and I like gym and English. Yeah, I'm really good at English. Not the best of my class, but I'm good. And gym is the best of the classes. It has really great games. Yeah, we sometimes play axe tag. That when the tagger catches you, shapes you're gonna shape of the axe, and someone needs to crawl under you, and you're not tagged anymore. Yeah, that sounded really weird. And yeah, yesterday we played a game called City War that both teams, both teams, I don't know what to say, both teams pulled a city and placed it, and it's like capture the flag, but better, and you could throw out there with the dodgeballs, the balls, not like that, the balls, and yeah, it was fun, and my team lost. Yeah, but we did great. At least we tried. Yeah. This is today's video. Oh, a short, but peace.